Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set flipping by touch on mode horizontal flipping on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Here you can find the reading section. Go to the first option, the flipping and indicator of page. And in the horizontal flipping section you can find the second option, the flipping by touch. You can find or you can see different options, stream 1, stream 2, stream 3, or disable the function, and just select one and click to the circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.